Chapter 8, Discrete Random Variables. In this tutorial, we are going to use the probability distribution to find probability of a random variable describing a given relation. Look at this exercise. A discrete random variable x has probability distribution. The values of the random variable are between 0 and 5, and for each value we have the corresponding probability. Part A, find the probability that x is less than 3. So, probability for x less than 3. Look at the table. Since less than 3, then 3 is not included. Why? Because we do not have equality. So, we cancel the 3 and we look at all the numbers less than 3. We take the 2, the 1, and 0. So, probability of x less than 3 is equal to probability of x is 2 plus probability of x is 1 plus probability of x is 0. Now, we read the probability. So, 0.3 plus 0.1 plus 0.1. The answer is 0.5. This is for part A. Now for part B, find the probability that x is greater than 3. So here we write, find the probability for x greater than 3. Also here, the 3 is not included because we do not have equality. So we neglect the 3 and we take 4 and 5 because they are greater than 3. So, equal to probability of x equals to 4 plus probability of x equals to 5. Look at the probabilities. We have 0.1 plus 0.1. The answer is 0.2. Now for part C, find the probability that x is bounded between 1 and 4. So, probability of x is greater than 1 and less than 4. Since it is greater than 1, 1 is not included. So we neglect the 1 and we take the 2. Also, it is less than 4, so 4 is not included and we take the 3. So we only have the values 2 and 3. That means probability of x is 2 plus probability of x is 3. Now we need to look at the table and read the corresponding probabilities. We have 0.3 plus 0.3. The answer is 0.6.